and welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are here at one of our most recent kitchen renovations here in Newton, Massachusetts, and I'm going to give you guys a tour of this kitchen and see kind of how we went through the design process. So we actually went through a couple of different color options, a couple of different ways to open the cabinetry. So we'll kind of walk you through that and check out all the fun features that we have in this kitchen. So follow me. We're in the main part of the kitchen now, and we're definitely going to show some before pictures, but we did keep the overall footprint of the space. It seemed to work really well. It was a U-shaped kitchen with a good size island. We did end up doing an overhang, a bigger overhang than we originally had in this space to allow for seating and having their breakfast here, which is really nice and cozy. We also did backside storage on the island, so we have all push to open with simple shelves inside. The client also asked for 2 dishwashers side by side, so we have that right here. Both are the Miele, the new 7 series for Miele, actually, with the top cutlery tray. A really nice feature. Everything is custom paneled. We had this kitchen in a couple of different colors, which is kind of fun to go through the process and look back. I was looking back before we came here at all of our different design solutions, and originally we had a black high gloss kitchen with a channel running through, so we didn't have any handles. We then kind of evolved that and went to more of a carbon colored kitchen, and then one day the clients came in and said, you know what, we want to change it all together. We're going to do a white high gloss kitchen. We're going to take away all the handleless generation and put a handle on the doors to make it a little bit easier to use. And then we thought, what a nice design feature, but to do the Nero Marquina countertop to kind of tie everything together. Originally, we actually had a very thin countertop, so it was about 12 millimeters, and when it came in, it just wasn't really what the client wanted. So we decided, let's change it all. Let's go to a thicker one. We ended up doing a 4 cm counter, so it gave a really nice kind of more chunky look and substantial look. And we decided to do just a very simple backsplash here and do a full height one going along behind the gas cooktop. I'm going to show you guys, this is the first dishwasher that we have, and then we have a second one. And so this is getting more a little into the technical side of things, but it's very important that when you do side-by-side dishwashers, you have to have a panel in between to allow it to screw into place and still be flush with the rest of the cabinetry. In addition to having 2 dishwashers, we also wanted to do 2 trash systems, one that was super convenient that no one had to really walk into the kitchen to use, and that one's over here. And then the other one is directly next to the sink to the left. Keeping with the theme of 2 of everything, we did a very symmetrical design on the base units here. So we have our favorite, I should say, Le Mans corner solution. We have this on the right-hand side and on the left-hand side. We also did 2 large pull-out drawers with interior cutlery, perfect for when you're cooking. Instead of doing our typical side hinge cabinets, we wanted to do the bifolding cabinets to allow for a more modern and sleek design. So here you can see it just lifts up. Of course, I'm a little short. The clients are much taller than me, so it actually works great for them. But this is the interior components, and then we did all LED lighting on the base of them. So moving along, we have our Le Mans corner solution on the left-hand side. Another set of 2 large pull-out drawers, again with cutlery on the inside. And we also did a neat feature here that I want to show you guys. We did 2 appliance housing cabinets. So our typical door opens like this, so it lifts up. And as you can see, we need a certain amount of clearance to be able to lift the door and take everything out and in. And so we got a little bit creative and we thought, what if we did a side hinge door for the second one, open, and then they can still pull everything out and have it easily accessible, but we don't worry about the extra clearance that we need. And we did this on just a push to open, so we only have 1 handle, keeping it a bit more clean and less busy. So moving along, we did a whole line of appliances going along this wall. We have our Miele fully integrated coffee system, one of my favorite appliances that Miele makes, the Miele 30-inch wall oven, and they did side-by-side refrigeration, full columns, all custom paneled. And the nice feature with some columns that are coming out nowadays, they're all push to open, so you don't need any handles at all. Keeping very clean and contemporary look. So let's talk a little bit about this island. We added some extra appliances here. We wanted to do a really nice under-counter refrigeration unit for her kids so that they can just kind of come in and grab what they need and not have to go into the full column refrigerator. We also did 2 pull-out drawers right next to that. And we also put in the microwave with storage below. Next, we're gonna move over to the wine display. We wanted to do something a little fun, a little different, but obviously still keeping the color scheme consistent. So we decided to do some really beautiful glass elements with LED vertical lighting. One, I would say, we call it possibilities at our showroom that we had, was this cabinet actually came incorrect. So this one and this one we had to reorder, and unfortunately it did delay the project. We were able to get it in, and obviously now you guys can see it fully installed. I think it came out quite stunning and adds a really nice ambiance to the space, especially at nighttime. So we did all glass shelving inside. We did the Liber wine unit and push to open, so no handle again. I'll show you guys that. So if you push on the door, it's gonna pop right open, and then everything's beautifully displayed on the inside. We also built in a lot of storage to this area. So we have storage going all the way along the top. This is storage as well. And then we did just a simple side hinge door below with additional storage. Well, that's a wrap for this kitchen. I hope you guys have enjoyed the tour. Of course, give me comments below, give me your feedback, tell me what you think of this space, and we'll see you next time. Bye!